Tell me this hoe ain't crazy, bro. What? Nigga, what? You know. Nigga, what? Y'all can't tell me this hoe ain't wild. This bitch wild. Just roll with me to pick up Big Dog, man. Yeah, so we got Mr. Goddammit back in Houston, man. You know what's going on, man. You know. Yeah, he finna go crazy when he see this hoe watch. He finna be like, yeah. Yeah. Oh, no, you ain't had him no, you ain't had him. What motherfucker? Yeah, man, we night and day, you know. My boy Matt, we had to bring my boy Goddammit up here so, you know, he could see what's really going on, who putting the best work in the city. You know what I'm saying? This is one of the spots I'm gonna tell y'all to come to if I get a chance to, so. You know, y'all tap in night and day performance, man. Yeah, we outside networking, man. That's what I'm talking about. We all network. We in night and day. You know what I'm saying? What's up, man? What's up, my boy? My boy, man. You know, we got my boy Mikey. We got my boy Aaron. Goddammit, Matt. You know, we outside, man. Night and day. Y'all see what's up. Damn near everything say night and day. My shit finna say night and day, too. My shit finna say night and day real soon, so.
Use a seatbelt to pick up a motor and a transmission this big.
He used the seatbelt to pick that bitch up.
What? Yeah, before they pick this bitch up, they had a seatbelt. Yeah, seatbelts are strong to pick up motors.
That shit crazy.
This shit hit me up every week. Hold on, record me real quick. We gotta record this
real quick. Yeah, my boy, I told y'all I was gonna make that shit. Yeah. I told y'all he was gonna wanna fuck with it though. Yeah, I had to bring my boy to come play with my guys, man, you know? We got toys outside. Big toys outside, man. Goddamn.
because they cut off.
My boy.
We were doing the tuning.
Yeah, we got Goddammit doing, you know. You know, he don't drive everything, so. You feel me?
Oh, yeah.
He don't drive everything, bro.
I mean, we got some
He driving and he fuck with it, you know? Right. Oh my gosh. He like that, man.
Transmission just stopped. So you bring this left, so down here we're going to because nobody.
That bitch fast though, ain't it?
Yeah, you can smell the brakes.
Yeah.
A video stuff. Imagine you do this a Hellcat too. Alright, you hit it. Fuck with it. What you thought? So, the very minded individual, he was hitting it though. And I actually got to saw somebody hit, like see them hit it for once, because I've always so did him. You didn't see that bitch. I ain't like never knew that bitch sat down.
No, look, when we went for the ride.
Yeah, I got out. That's why
when we went for the ride.
So look, this motherfucker picked up the car. He called me. He said, "Hey Matt, the back wide body coming off." I said, "Why coming off?" I said, "That shit glued, screwed. It ain't coming nowhere." He came in and showed me. I looked. It's the damn inside of the damn thing. It's fucking.
A few moments later.
Wow. Okay, we outside today. Wow.
All the way to with the Bristol boy.
Oh yeah, that's tough.
Now there's two chains, the wrap on it.
Oh, did we?
You got that's the one that matched this one. The French and Wells sponsor, and that's how the ones that match. You'll see it when it pull up in the video.
Y'all see what we got, man. Turkey leg, you know. Oh wow, yeah. Oh, this tough. Big demon. Yeah, the turkey leg helping though. You know what I'm saying? We outside, man. Doing what we do best, you know, kitted and fitted. Timothy. Oh my. motherfucker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He hit us. He gave us the shrimp and everything, boy. Stop it. Oh, stop it, you know? Bag of cheese, bro. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Him.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, first up to the left. Real classic.
Oh, shit. I can tell. Yeah, man, we outside, man. Shout out to Lynn, man. Turkey Leg Hut Garage. Lynn's Garage, bro. Man, you see it, gang. Oh, my God. TA 572 Demon, spraying nice. TRACKHAWK. Then we got the dually that's pulling everything, man. What y'all know about it, man? Stop playing.
They ain't fuck with me, these niggas snoring. I be up at 3 in the morning. Grab for something, you ain't seeing nothing. This money coming, just look at how I'm thumbing.